Tired of fumbling for cash every time you take an Uber? Well, say hello to effortless payments because in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Upi ID and pay directly through it on Uber. First things first, open your Uber app and tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of your screen. This will open a side menu. Look for wallet or payment options. Tap on it. Now, you'll see your current payment methods. Tap on Add Payment Method to add a new one. A list of payment options will pop up. Among these, select UPI. Next, Uber will ask you to enter your UPI ID. Make sure you enter the correct one. For example, your name and bank name. Carefully type in your Upi ID, double check for accuracy, and then tap Add Upi ID or Save. Voila! Your Upi ID is now successfully linked to your Uber account. You might receive a verification request on your UPI app, so make sure to authorize it. The next time you book a ride, simply select UPI as your payment method during the booking process. After your ride, the fare will be automatically deducted from your linked bank account via UPI, making your Uber experience smoother and more convenient than ever. Enjoy!